In this video, I'll show you how to change your workspace name in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, head over to the very bottom and click on your profile. Now, once you click on your profile from here, you want to make sure that you were on the exact workspace in which you want to change the name to. Let's say I want to change the name of my admin space workspace. So on the right-hand side, simply head over to the bottom, choose the first option, which is admin console. Once you click on that, it will automatically take you to your website. If you are using an Asana application, it will take you to this website. If you're using a website on Asana, then it will automatically take you to a new tab. Now, from here, what you want to do is simply head over to the navigation panel again on the left hand side. From here, you want to head over to the bottom, choose the fourth option, which is settings. Now, once you click on settings on the right hand side, you'll be able to have the option for workspace name. Now, in order for you to customize or change this, just simply click on the first tab. Once you do that, a pop-up will show. From here, you are able to change your workspace name. Let's say that this is the admin area. And once you have your workspace name, at the bottom, click on Save Changes. Now, it will automatically be changed to admin area. Now, if you head over back to our Asana, in here, if you head over to the left-hand side again and click on your profile, it will refresh the page. And as you can see, we already have renamed our workspace name. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.